welcome back to my channel. This is Aishwarya, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to get this no makeup look. It is similar to everyday makeup look, but it is more natural than everyday makeup look. If you're a college or office going girl, you can carry this look on your daily basis. So this is my own version of no makeup look, so do watch this video till end. So for primer I am using this rose water and aloe vera gel. I am going to mix this two together and apply on my face. Now I'll put a little bit of rose water in it, like 2-3 drops of it. Okay. And now I'll mix this and apply on my face. So guys, I'll conceal my face with help of this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in shade 25 medium, and I'll concealing my problematic areas to this. My areas are under my eyes, eyelids, area near my lips, like this area, and some spots and area near my nose. So these are my problematic area. You may have some different, so you have to find yours and conceal it according to that. So this is how my face is looking after concealing. I'm using this Lakme rose powder in shade 01 soft pink, and now I'll be applying this with my fingers, just like this. So guys, as you can see, after applying powder, my skin is looking so fresh, dewy and also natural. Guys, let's add some definition to eyebrows. I'm using this Miss Clear waterproof eyebrow pencil in shade 02 dark brown. To add some pop to your eyes, now I'm going to use this Maybelline Hyper Curl Volume Express waterproof mascara. As this is no makeup look, I'm going to use this light shade of lipstick from Elle Colourpop matte lipstick in shade W12. Add some natural glow in this look. I'm going to use this shade from the Nudes palette. I'll take little bit of quantity of this on my fingertips, like so, and then apply on my face like this and blend it with my fingertips. Just a little glowy pop to your look, and bit of it on my nose. As you can see, I'm not taking an extra product. I'm just applying what I have on my fingers to my nose. And that's it. So guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like this video, share this video with your family and friends, and comment on this video if you're going to try this look. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification of my every new video. See you next time. Bye.